Now, where's that person that stole my can? Hey, you! Get back here!
Run! Help! Help! I'm getting ran.
What do you mean you're getting ran? And he's dead now. It's fine. Anyways, guys, welcome back to another video right beside the dead bodies. Day 6! Do it with me.
What's day 6?
Just hold it up. It's magic of editing. Just hold up your hands like
I want to
this.
eat this.
Just hold up your hands like this. It's the power of editing. There you go. We're good. All right. Let's go do our quest and we'll find out what the item is today.
What's the power of editing?
It's day. I think it's day 6. Yeah, it's day 6. I have already done.
Day 7.
I've already done a little bit of that this
Finish
morning.
5 rounds on it.
While we do that, I'm going to do some explosive jumps. Sorry to get here today. Yeah, because that's the quest.
Don't use them. Use the shell. No, don't. Wait, what?
It said explosive. It did not work. Yeah, I mean, it's the best to do it in starter house. Yeah, because I can do it all in one in starter house, but... Oh, that doesn't work. That's not how that works. That's one block just going up. It did not work, and my umbrella went through the ground. Same. There we go. There's my 4th round, I think it is. Yes, you shall. I need like 2 more rounds of hide and seek, yo. Hide and seek, yo. Sure. Okay, I will, I think. I want to try something. Meet me at treehouse. Alright, follow my lead, okay? Ready? I need to do that, but like better. Yes, I did it! I'll show you. Let me accumulate it, though. Nice. Oh, I have enough for the item. Let's go do that while we run to hide. Oh, tag me. Tag-a-fire me. Yeah, tag-a-fire! Tag on fire! I'll kill myself.
Where's your camera?
It's behind me. Yeah. Happy. I'm gonna go check out what the item is. Yeah, but we don't know what it is. We kind of just ran over and bought it. Pipe or ranger block. A pipe or ranger block. We're gonna go to your world and see what the heck that is in a minute. In like one more round. Wait, let me get this on recording. There, it should be recording from behind me.
See this big hole up there? I just threw these 2 down and made it in there. There we go.
I wonder if I can do that. I don't have enough cauldron. 1 second. Okay. I overshot it. Alright, let me tag you.
Where do you get the gnomes? Where do you get the gnomes with trick or treat?
They're not on there yet.
Wait,
They probably will be.
where do you get the button up there? Wait, where do I get this button?
Right there.
Where do I buy the button?
Boop. 4th tech
Where
room.
do I buy the button? What?
4th tech room.
Will you bring me there? I need the button.
Dude, you bought the pack for that map and you never went to the map?
Yeah, Dad. I know.
It's right here. I'll meet you in your world because I need to go there. Okay, guys, we're alone. Hopefully he'll come back because I want to know what this thing is. I will call him. It's ringing. Oh, wrong number. Nope. I forgot I don't have his phone. You here yet? Hello? I might be going to mom right now. One second. Dude, hurry up. I'm trying to go to your map. Get over here. Alright, hopefully. There he is. Come on. Come on. I think again.
It took me like 30 seconds just to find the tech lab.
It's right beside the beginning. Alright, in your world. I don't have permission. Alright. Wait, we need to test the new item. Where is it? Probably with the pipes, since it has something to do.
Want to see my new item?
Oh, the screen install. Yeah, he just bought everything today.
Where's my?
I can't.
Here's my button. No, you won't touch this button.
It's not connected to anything.
Oh wait, I get enough. Here. Here's my button.
The holes have to
Wait.
connect like this.
Where's the? Wait, how's the holes?
Or you can use wiring. Oh, here it is. Is this it? This is it. What? What?
Wait, come here.
What?
Here, move. I got this.
It said something about pipes.
I'm gonna move. I'm gonna use water in here. Water. Watch, move. Be quick.
No, I'm not touching it. Definitely. While he does that, I'm gonna grab this. And then. Oh! This time it's purple. This time it's gray. This time it's orange. This time it's purple. This time it's gray.
That thing's so annoying.
There's a hole. The ink doesn't work. It said something. It's called like a pipe connector. So, I'd like to try pipes here.
I figured it out. Look.
Ah! You gotta go from the butt.
Wait, does it work that way?
No, those are wires. I guess it's like more like a wire connector. Make him go like this, this.
I will, but you have to flip it like this. Flip it like that, and I got you.
I'm gonna go ahead and do the outro really quickly, and then we can figure this out.
Don't keep it like this. Wait, we gotta show.
Can we like? I'm gonna fast forward this probably then.
I moved it.
Okay, guys, this is what the final product looks like. It's kind of beautiful. So, for another time, have fun thanks for watching, and is there a needle in my... Thanks for watching, and goodbye! Oh yeah, Miles is over there. Oh no. Now what do you think you're doing? What am I doing down here? Well, I'm got this down here. That made no sense. How did you get that? Those are banned here. Take this. Thanks for the freeze ball. I'm gonna go ahead and destroy this now. No, you don't. Got it. Ah! Oh. Huh? I can't see. He has items that I don't. How am I gonna beat him? I have an idea. Hey, look over there. Yep. Your reign of terror is done, you monster. Serves you right. Alright, let's see what he has. The key to get out of here. Ooh, a cool pair of glasses. That's cool. And yes, the phone. Alright. It's time to get out of here. Once and for all. Wait, before I do,